Just want to do a quick demonstration on how to edit an HDR footage from iPhone 12 in Premiere Pro and then upload it to YouTube. Create a new project. Notice in here in color management, you choose the 203 75% HLG. And then click OK. Drag in your iPhone 12 footage. Put it on the timeline. Here in the metric scope, notice the luminance only go a little bit above 100. So you have to go to the sequence setting and change the working color space to Rec 2100 HLG, and then click OK. Now you can see you have 1000 nit maximum brightness. Here you can do your normal color correction, add LUTs, or you can just go straight to the export. In the format, you choose QuickTime, and in presets, you can choose the ProRes 422 HQ HLG or the ProRes 4444 HLG. I couldn't notice any difference when I uploaded to the YouTube, and the 422 file is just a little bit smaller, so this is what I usually use. You can choose to use maximum render quality, but it's just optional. Click export. So the file is really big. It might take like 30 gigabytes for a 10 minutes video. That's pretty normal. And then you can upload it to the YouTube. It might take like 5 hours to a day or two to process the HDR video. Just wait until then to publish. That's all. Thank you.